Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see how to use Operator Station in SmartComm PMS. To run SmartComm as Operator Station, click on SmartComm icon. Configure this tool as Client Application, and click on OK. Process Manager window will open. Navigate to the View option, click on View Config File. Custom Editor window will open, click on Edit. Select the redo mode as 3. Do changes in system IP address to operate from other locations. Click on Save, OK. Click on Process, Add Remove Process. Click on plus icon. Search LT Viewer. Select it, click on Open. Save and close. Go to Process, Start All. Then SmartComm Viewer window will open. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.